bigger. Is that the problem? Oh. You get that, I hope?
He caught her.
He got me.
Oh, so close.
Fun.
It's not easy.
No, get a horse's head. Cow's head.
Nana, we'll look at it on the big screen.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Those guys would love it.
There we go. Did you get it?
Yes. He roped the steer. Wait,
You get it as a video?
are you a steer or a cow?